Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Today I'm sharing some simple yet effective tips on how to master harvesting your garden. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these techniques will help you get the most out of your hard work. First off, timing is everything. Harvesting at the right moment ensures you get the best flavor and nutrition. For leafy greens like lettuce and spinach, early morning is ideal when the leaves are crisp and full of moisture. Just snip the outer leaves, allowing the plant to keep growing and producing more. Next, let's talk about root vegetables like carrots and beets. You'll know they're ready when the tops start to push out of the soil. Gently loosen the soil around them with a garden fork and pull them up by the greens. Be careful not to break the roots. Tomatoes are a bit different. You'll want to pick them when they're fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Avoid tugging on the fruit. Instead, use a pair of scissors or pruning shears to cut the stem. This helps prevent damage to the plant. For fruits like strawberries and raspberries, look for bright, deep colors and a slight give when you press them. Gently twist or pull the fruit to avoid tearing the plant. Now, herbs are a real treat and can be harvested throughout the season. Snip the stems just above a leaf node and they'll grow back even bushier. Morning is the best time to harvest herbs when their essential oils are at their peak. Lastly, always remember to use clean, sharp tools to make precise cuts. This helps the plant heal quickly and reduces the risk of disease. So there you have it. A few simple tips to make your garden harvesting efficient and rewarding. Don't forget to share your harvest stories in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!